The next day, another adventure was going to be had yet again, and a new mode of transport unlocked: speed boat. So our first stop on the boat tour was this amazing coral reef where there were a load of fish, and we did a bit of snorkeling, took some photos, and just enjoyed the crystal clear water.
All these fish. Oh my god, they're so big, what the hell?
Look where we are, La Princesina, our boat tour. Made our first stop by the Piscina Naturale.
Back onto the bumpy boat ride. And the next spot we were heading to was this desert island, and this place was amazing.
Viva Cartola, viva Candeia, viva Cuica do mestre Marçal, viva Portela, viva Mangueira, viva o fundo do nosso quintal. Viva Cartola, viva Candeia, viva Cuica do mestre Marçal, viva Portela, viva Mangueira, viva o fundo do nosso.
Honestly, the boat tour was really good. We stopped in a load of cool spots throughout the whole day.
Second island. What's the island called?
Boiapeba. Boiapeba.
Boiapeba.
Boiapeba.
Yes, cheers,
Driving through these mangroves was really cool. It felt like we were in the Amazon or something. And one final pit stop for a little swim and a much needed caipirinha.
Barra Grande.
We're literally on a floating bar, vibing out, drinking caipirinhas in the middle of nowhere. How ridiculous.